Welcome back to my channel, loves. I am going to be doing a tutorial. No. Hello, welcome back to my channel, loves. I'm going to be doing a video today on my lipstick collection. If you've seen any of my other collections, like my palette, my highlighters, my bronzers, this one probably is the one that I have the most of. I don't know what happened. Listen, honestly, I go to a store and the makeup talks to me, because, you know, it does. It talks to me and it tells me, you know, Jennifer, I need a home. And I am such a person with such a huge heart that I'm like, you do? Well, come home with me. And so that's what happens. They need homes. I provide mine. And if it helps any, most of my collection is given through me to PR, so I can review it, and some has been gifted. So it's not all that I bought. It's a little mixture of everything. But the ones I bought, yes, they do talk to me and they tell me, please take me home. And I'm like, yes, let's go. Now, but all jokes aside, I'm going to be showing you my collection, my lipsticks. I'm doing this because, you know, I was asked by quite a few to show me, you know, what I do have. And I love watching videos like this. Like, I love to see the collections that people have. So I hope that you guys take it the same way and don't take it like, oh my God, she's showing off. No, I don't like to show off. I'm a very down to earth type of girl, and I do not like to ever rub in nobody's faces what I have, because about 2 years ago I used to have a little bag. You can ask my husband, a tiny little bag, and I didn't have highlighter in there. I didn't have foundation, primer. I didn't have contour. I didn't do my brows. It was lipstick, eyeshadow, mascara, liner, and blush. That's it. Those were my go-tos. So lipstick I did have, just not that many. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I'm gonna do this differently. So basically, these are all my cookies. I do have a regular lipstick of it, but these are all the colors that I have in Cokie. This is Bella Pierre Girl Lactic, Odessa, New York. We have Maybelline Stay Matte Ink. We have So Susan. We have this Velvet Liquid. What is this? Hula Neon. Some of these came in subscription boxes or were given to me or I bought. I have a NYX, Cargo, Anastasia, Beverly Hills, Jeffree. These two I won in a giveaway. I love them. They're beautiful, and this is a CoverGirl. Okay, here we have a collection of Jeffree stars along with my first bullet from the mystery box that I had ordered. Behind that there is some NYX lingerie. Sorry about the lighting. It's really washing out these colors. These are from Kylie Cosmetics. More Kylie Cosmetics. This is from Ofra. Stila. This right here is from L'Oreal. I received these in PR. These are such beautiful colors. Back here I have my Ofra. I'm trying to find a good lighting, but my camera does not focus, so it's truly annoying. This one's from Ofra. Got like a purple, and there we go, maybe like that. Purple, and this color doesn't even have a name on it. So that's that one. Okay, over here we have Dose of Color. This is from the collab with Desi and Katie. This is, I think, my main. This one is the Fenty one, the only one I have. All these here, most of them are Colourpop, except for this one that it is the Beauty Crop. It was one that I also got in a box. I got some Colourpop lippy sticks. This is the only Colourpop lip liner that I have. I have these from Dominique Cosmetics. These are more Colourpop, but these are collabs with Sarai, and this one is Bretman Rock. And these two are from the collab with Becky G, Salvaje. Okay, I move my lighting back there to see if maybe the light hitting this way is better than the light hitting this way. So these are all my Wet n Wild. These were probably the first liquid lipsticks that I ever got. I got different colors. I haven't used some, like maybe this one right here. I really haven't used over here, maybe this brown one. But these are all my color lippies. My favorite, Rebel Rose. And some of my lip liners. These are almost all my Pixie colors. I'm going to turn it a little bit. These are all the colors that came in most of the PR boxes that I have. Actually, all of them came in the PR boxes that I have. Oops, I'm crashing here. And then we got one more. And then these are my Kat Von D colors. I'll show you from below. So we got like a light purple, a pinkish, and like a, I want to say a burgundy type color. Then over here, these are my miscellaneous type, you know, Too Faced. These are Essence. This is the Baddest Beige that I got from Maybelline. We got MAC, Dosing. What is this one? This is a Colourpop one, like a burgundy. This is the e.l.f. one that I got if you saw my video. This one is from Bare Minerals. This was my favorite color from Wet n Wild. Such a beautiful, like purplish, fuchsia type color. We got CoverGirl and Burt's Bees. We have some from Jordana. Love these, real cheap and are good. NYX, and this one I think is Kate, which is, who is this? Rimmel. Is it Rimmel? I think it's Rimmel. It doesn't say, but it's a beautiful color. It's like a peachy nude. I got this from my friend on IG, this CoverGirl. It's called Maroon, and then I got this in a box. It's like a reddish color. Okay, these are more of my lipsticks. I have way too many, guys, way too many. This is Milani's. This was actually, this is very old, I'm gonna lie. This is Milani also, but this was one of my favorite browns that I used to use back in the day. I don't know if it's turning colors or I mixed it. I want to say I mixed it. This one is from, who is this from? Maybelline. This is like a cherry brown. Yeah, from Smashbox. Kat Von D. More Jordana. These are probably, most of these I need to get rid of because I've had them for so long. This is my backup of the Wet n Wild that I showed you. That was my favorite. It's like a blue fuchsia. I can't even explain it. These also I'm going to have to get rid of because I've had them such a long time. But these are from Wet n Wild also. This is an Avon color, which has dog hair. It's like a light color, but I have so many, and these are definitely like 2 years old. So I think it's time that I got rid of them. I got this Stella from TJ Maxx. It was one of those finds. It's a beautiful color. It's a little streaky though. That's why I haven't wore much or talked about it too much. This is the Cokie lipstick that I was talking about earlier. It's a beautiful color. These are from J-Cat. No, this one. Is it? Yeah. Oh, that's NYX. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. That is a NYX and this is a J-Cat. If you haven't tried J-Cat, they're really affordable and great. This is Dose of Colors. So I have 2 of those of colors. This was definitely in a box. This is Propio, Popio, yeah, Pop Feel. Wow, these were given to me. I had a bunch of them, but I gave a lot away. These are from NYX. Then back here we have Too Faced. These are their latex, melted latex, beautiful colors. These are also from Too Faced, and this is their metal one, melted metal. They're really pretty. These I found at TJ Maxx along with these that you saw earlier. Then over here, I have a Kat Von D color. What one is this one? Bow and Arrow. Then I have a few like the lip liners, I guess they call these. These are all like lip liners and just liners, different set of liners. Then we have, push this to the side, our minis. Let's roll these over. These are all my minis. Most of these minis came in a box, or I bought like a set of something that bought these. So I have Tarte, I have little Kat Von D, I have Beauty Bakery, I have Makeup Forever, I got Laura Mercier. These 2 are, oh, this is, I thought it was Laura Mercier, but this is actually Smashbox. I have Tarte, YSL, more Tarte, Makeup Forever, more Tarte. This one's Urban Decay, and this is MAC. This is actually one of my favorites. This is Velvet Teddy, I think it's called. Yeah, Velvet Teddy. Such a beautiful color. I don't know what angle to show you guys. And then these in here, like the Laura Mercier. This is like a beautiful, I don't know, pinkish, dark pink color. You know, like fuchsia. The Beauty Bakery is one of those beautiful, like nude browns, I guess. I don't know what you would call it. This one also is from Kat Von D. Beautiful type, similar color. I think this one should be red if I'm correct. No, actually, no. This is in the same family as them. And this one as well. So I have a lot of this color. I have way too many of these colors. I also have these from Jeffree. These were the ones that I wanted to give away. They are so good. So if you never tried Jeffree, give them a try. I love their skincare from Colourpop. These were little sets that I bought back in the day. These are pretty much my glosses. There might be 1 or 2 missing somewhere, but I have from Urban Decay, from Buxom, and from Jordana. These 2 are like a color type gloss. This one is from Pixie. This, of course, everybody should know is Fenty. Does it have a front? There we go. That is Fenty. This is from Neutrogena. This is CoverGirl. This is Pixie Beauty, one of the collabs. This is Physicians Formula. This is Dominic's Cosmetics. That's CoverGirl. This one is Tarte DSL. This is from Creations. What is it? Beauty Creations. Morphe and Gerard Cosmetics. I also have small lipsticks and also some that I just recently got. So here are the recently got. These are from Smashbox. This is just a regular liquid lipstick. I bought these 2. They were minis that came in a set from Sephora. This I got in a box. It's like a metal one. And this one is from the Beauty Crop. These are all from Gerard Cosmetics. as well as their lip liners. These are so good. They're hydro mattes and their lip liners are so creamy. These two are from Gerard Cosmetics. They're similar, but not that the same. Between the Sheets, and this one is nude. Then we got one more, which is a new one that I bought from Catrice, and I'm doing a video on this coming soon. It's a beautiful color, and I've never seen a velvet look like that. Okay, so that's pretty much almost all of my collection. There might be some missing. There's some new ones that a friend of mine sent to me. But other than that, this is what I have right now. I've given, believe it or not, I've given a lot away. I put a lot into giveaways, and a lot of this I really need to throw out, but it's one of those that they're such pretty colors, you don't want to part with them, but they're old, number one, so you don't want to put them on your lips, and number two, it's time to say goodbye. So half of these I'm going to be throwing out. I probably should have done that before doing this video, but I wanted to get it out to you guys. Next, you'll probably either see I'm going to probably mix up like liners and stuff like that, or I might not even do that and just go straight to doing my room, showing my room. I can't get these words right today. I don't know what's going on. This is my second video of the day, and I'm just losing it. But I'm gonna do a room tour. There we go, a room tour, and there you'll see pretty much where I kind of situate everything. So hopefully I can film that by next week. I have some things that are arriving this week, and then after that I will be able to film it. So this is my collection. Hope you guys like it. So that was my collection. I hope you enjoyed. I try to make it as quick as I can. I didn't show everything because you would be here forever. I could break this up in 2 videos, but I'm not too certain, so we'll see if I do that or not, depending on how much footage I have. If I do, then you will see part 2. But I'm going to try to just not talk through it and just go quickly and show you like I just did. So I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to hit like, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the little notification bell so you are notified when I upload again. So I hope you all have a great day. Please stay safe out there, stay warm. It's chilly over here. It's not too bad, but for those where it's freezing, please keep warm. Take care.